Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. Today I am reviewing the Wet Weather Fire Starting Kit from Epiphany Outdoors. Now in the past we took a look at the Epiphany V3 Pocket Bellows and that thing was awesome. It is awesome. I still carry it with me all the time. I know many of you all went out and purchased it and they love it as well. I mean, it's a great kit. It is included with this here. So this is the package that you receive with this kit. There's all sorts of information and so on. First off, you get this awesome watertight case. You have the two rubber stoppers on both ends with the sealed up container here. That is just awesome. I mean, it's really functional, and you can use this for a wide range of different purposes. Now, let's just go ahead, we'll take a look at the kit. First off, you get 8 of the Baddest Bee Fire Fuses, that's what they are called. They are crammed in there in a very small version of the large container. You receive a very small ferro rod with striker. This is, in my opinion, the most important part to this entire kit. This is the V3 Pocket Bellows. Check that out. Very long, very functional and usable. With the bellows here, this goes from roughly 3.5 inches all the way up to roughly 19 inches. So this is a very simple piece of kit. I carry this when I go out backpacking, and I use this when I go out bushcrafting. I'm sure everybody's thinking, hey, why didn't I think of that? Now, I have a review on this product, so I will not spend too much time talking about it. You guys can watch that if you want to. But essentially, you could take this and use this to get your fire going. This really works well when it's wet conditions. Everything's wet. You got some embers going. You just blow onto the fire, get it going. I mean, it really does work well. Also, inside of this kit, I have put some still wool in there. And really, that's for myself. That's the way that I carry this kit. Sometimes I will put some magnesium shavings in there as well. With that being said, those are the 3 components. You get the bellows, the fire fuses, the miniature ferro rod, and I guess you could say the 4th component is the container itself, which is just top-notch. I really like this. So let's take a minute here and let's focus on the fuses for just a second. As I mentioned before, you get 8 of these. Each one of these is roughly 2 inches long. These are made from cotton. Now, these can take a spark, but you do have to kind of ruffle these up first. You do need to pull them apart. You need to tease them so you can give them some area where the spark can latch onto. These do work well. They are not windproof, but they will handle a little bit of a breeze. Nice and easy. So right there, that's how you use the kit. You start with the fuse, use the ferro rod, then you move over to the bellows. Watch this. With this kit here, this runs $20, and you can pick this up on Amazon. As mentioned, this is a 3-piece kit, and the weight of this entire system is only 2.3 ounces. And you have enough space inside of the tube, the container, to add further ingredients for your fire kit. With the kit as a whole, I like it. It is worth the money, the 20 bucks. Now, with the fuses, would I go out and purchase more of these? No, I wouldn't. Cotton balls and Vaseline is a very easy thing to do, and they work just as well as this. I do like this, but I wouldn't go out and purchase more of these because of the skills that I have already. Now, you may want to go out and purchase more of these, and you definitely can. That's completely up to you. You know, when it comes to fire starters, my absolute favorite is trioxane. Military surplus. You can buy tons of it for absolutely nothing, and it works so incredibly well. This is a good organic alternative, but in my opinion, there are better alternatives out there. Now with the ferro rod, it works. Would I go out and purchase this myself? No. With this kit, I would add my own ferro rod, something that's not quite as flimsy as this. Like, this will definitely get the job done, but this isn't my go-to ferro rod by any means. The star of the kit is the bellows, and this is just awesome. This is a piece of equipment that I recommend for all backpackers and bushcrafters. I mean, it really is essential. It works so incredibly well. When your materials are nice and dry like today, you really don't need it. But when things are wet, you know, when you're having a hard time getting that fire going, this makes things so incredibly easy. You know, it's like if you're sitting around a campfire and it's starting to go out, so you throw some more wood on it. Well, you don't have to wait for it to catch on, right? You could take your bellows, blow on it, get it going. It's that simple. In addition to the bellows, you have to talk about the container because this is awesome. This is a really, really cool container. It's very functional. I mean, with the bellows, you could pop in a lighter, some magnesium, some steel wool, another ferro rod, whatever you want to. And you can make yourself an awesome, lightweight, compact, watertight kit. That is pretty much it. That is the wet weather fire starting kit from Epiphany Outdoors. Do I recommend this? Absolutely. I love the container, the bellows, you guys already know that I like. Everything else works well, it's functional. If you guys have any questions for me, you know what to do. Send me an email. In other words, strength and honor to you all. Have a good day.